My Computer Works actually found our office. They came in on a week that we had just had a computer crash, and it was perfect timing, so we were very enthusiastic to hear what their services were, and we signed up that same day. When I first called, in our line of business, we have to take digital photos, and one of my appraisers came back, and his photos were not on his camera. Some error took place. I immediately called My Computer Works and got a technical support agent right away, and then they were able to retrieve all the photos and install a program that within an hour we had all the photos that he had taken, and it would have, that's a 5-hour day for my appraiser, so he would have had to go out there and retake all the photos had I didn't, if we didn't have My Computer Works. So that was our very first experience with My Computer Works. Before My Computer Works, we were scrambling for help. If we knew somebody that was technically gifted, then we would call them and ask favors, or call another company and just have to contract somebody to come out and assist us with our computer challenges. So the great thing about My Computer Works is that they are available 24/7, 7 days a week, and they are here to assist our personal needs, and it's immediate response. I have used services where you have to outsource to have it repaired. You have to pay for the shipping, or it takes 6 to 8 weeks to actually get it back. It's just very difficult when, in today's day and age, you need immediate help. You need your problem solved. That's the biggest challenge that we face. So My Computer Works, they have alleviated that for us. They can solve our problem. They are immediately available. I just can't emphasize enough how wonderful they are, and I don't have to send my computer out. They are here for me, and they're available. Well, My Computer Works is wonderful because we have built a relationship with them, and they understand what our needs are within our company and our business, and they are familiar with the programs that they use. They've educated themselves on that. When they first install and update your computer, they do get a good understanding of what programs that you have and which technician would be best suited for our needs. So when I have somebody come in that isn't with My Computer Works, that it's just an independent technical support agent, it's very difficult for them to know what our needs are. And again, time becomes an issue because I want something fixed right then and there, and for them to understand, I don't want to have to re-educate somebody about the programs that we use and what I need done. So it's just great to have somebody that you're familiar with and that can take care of it and knows what our needs are. Talking to a technician at My Computer Works, I almost would consider them my friends because we do actually get to know one another, and when they're logging on and they're just asking, how my day is going, they're very friendly, and I do know a lot of them on a first name basis now. So not that I call too often or abuse it. I've just gotten to know them, and they definitely have a friendly voice on the other line, and they know what I'm calling them for. They know how to assist me. Well, when you first log on with My Computer Works, it's very user-friendly. So it's simple steps, logging onto the website, going to the help desk. They give you a login and a password, and that's another security issue. So you have to actually allow them to gain access to your computer. And once they're logged on, it's wonderful. You see your mouse moving, you see them into your program, you can talk them through what you need, they can talk you through what they're doing. The nice thing about that is that in the future, if it is a basic question or challenge that I'm having, and if they can walk me through it and educate me, then that helps me, save time and educate my employees and just be a better business owner. So that is definitely a benefit with My Computer Works. The biggest challenge with most computer technicians is that they do have their own language. My Computer Works definitely can speak to me on my level, and again, they can educate me and help me become more literate with my computer and be further educated and just help our company. Now My Computer Works. Does yours?